this week's portfolio. This week's portfolio, it's worth 7.2, so it reduced from 7.3 last week to 7.2. If you see, there is no earned dividend and market is on the downside. I lost $123, 1.67 downside. If you go to the slices, the liability slice, we invested $2,000, 1000 in TSLY and 1000 in Tesla. Right now it is 1725.5. So Tesla reduced so much. The earnings was not as expected, so it went down. So with that, TSLY also came down. But on the down market now, Tesla is almost reaching the same with TSLY, but TSLY includes the monthly dividends as well, two monthly dividends. Let's go to the activity tab. Last week on Monday, there was a trading on TSLY 5.01, and I closed all my IEP shares. So there was a pending 2.26 trade that also got sold. Then on same day, I invested $11, deposited $11. Out of that $11, $1 went to long-term share Disney, and $5 went to TSLY. Next day again, $11 deposit have. Yeah, $5 went to TSLY. Again, I invested $12 on Friday. By Monday, I can. It will be Monday. TSLY will be bought. Now let's go to the most performing stocks and bad performing stocks. Costco still leads the pack by 5.72%. Next comes EPD, that is on 1% high. Then all other my shares are in out of my 11 positions, all the 9 are in negative side. So out of that, QL is the top one with 0.52% only loss. Then going back to the bad performing stocks for last last was three bad performing stocks. TW again heads on that one. I lost around 18 percentage on TW. MA the next one I lost 17.97 at TSLY. Right, my average price is 13.73 and currently is on 11.37. Expecting a big dividend cut this month, coming month. The borrowed money payment on 28th I repaid $6. On Tuesday also I repaid $6. Wednesday I repaid $5. Thursday again $5. And Friday it's $6. $28 was paid in the debt. Right now it is 1785, but test TSLY and Tesla both went down. So right now my liability by it's 1725. This week Lynn declared their dividend for the quarter four, and they didn't increase. They kept on 1.275, and it will be paid on December. SVL also declared their dividend, so they kept the same for this month. They will pay on 31st of October, and it's zero point 0.3. QRD also declared their dividend. They will pay again on October 31st. They reduced the dividend 0.16. Yesterday it was 0.17. Now let's go to Excel where we calculate the fire dates. Checking on the dividend calculation right now. The projected dividend is 157.39. The trailing month calculation, the actual dividend calculation as per last month, it's 139.61. Last week our calculation was June 2nd, 2199. Right now it's May 24th, so we saved 9 days. On top of that, we'll receive a dividend of 1 million per a month at that time. Our age is 214, it's kept the same. Right now, as of today, the monthly fire target is 5281.51. Now going on to each stocks, TSLY, we started putting into TSLY and Verizon mobile subscription, so we expect $35 right now. It generates around 1.29. So we'll invest more into TSLY until we reaches $35. In dividend per month, Netflix subscription, we cross $15, so now it is 32.4. Xfinity mobile subscription, 23.85 we are expecting. So all other there is no change. On the liability side, we invested $1,000 each in TSLY and Tesla, and right now both got reduced to 846 and 877. So this includes the monthly dividends as well, two monthly dividends, around $80 invested. And also on Disney, we invested $6. Right now it's 5.7. That's it for the week. Thank you.